In this quick guide, you'll learn how to fix the CIBC Bank app if it's not working. Whether you're trying to check your balance or make a quick transaction, a malfunctioning app can be frustrating. But don't worry, with a few simple steps, you can get it back on track in no time. First, let's address the possibility of CIBC undergoing scheduled maintenance or experiencing service issues. This is often the most common reason for app disruptions, so it's worth checking. You can visit the CIBC website or their social media channels to see if there's any mention of ongoing maintenance. If there is, you might just need to wait it out until the services are back up and running. If there are no service issues, let's move on to the next step. Force close the CIBC app and then reopen it. This can help in resetting any temporary glitches that might be causing the issue. To do this, simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen if you're using an iPhone, or tap the square button if you're on an Android device, then swipe away the CIBC app to close it. After a moment, open the app again and see if it's working. Next, ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Sometimes, the app might not work simply because there's a weak or no connection at all. You can check your Wi-Fi or mobile data settings to make sure everything is connected properly. If you can, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference. After verifying your internet connection, it's important to check if the app itself is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can often lead to performance issues. Head over to the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're on Android, and see if there's an update available for the CIBC app. If there is, download and install it to ensure you have the latest features and bug fixes. If the app is still not working, try restarting your phone. This can often resolve minor software glitches that might affect app performance. Once your phone is back on, open the CIBC app and try signing in again. Should the problem persist despite these efforts, you may want to consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the app. This can help clear out any corrupted data that might be affecting the app's performance. Finally, if none of these steps work, don't hesitate to contact CIBC customer support for further assistance. They can provide more detailed help specific to your issue. And that's how to fix the CIBC Bank app if it's not working. With these steps, you should be back to seamless banking in no time.